Welcome back, guys. Backyard Boys Outdoors. It's me, Cole, Jace. Got a nice cold winter day. It's December 17th, just before Christmas. Hunting season's kind of slowed down, so we're taking a break. We're gonna go out and do a little more of a community type adventure today. Our road we live on turns into a dirt road that goes into a state park, and people throw lots of trash out there. So we try to do our part and pick up lots of beverage containers along the dirt road and whatever else people throw out. We found, what have we found? Toilets, cinder blocks, mailboxes, tires, all kinds of crazy stuff. So.
And one time we found a tire, there's a steep hill, and we rode it back up, then back up.
Yeah, we
found a cup.
We found the cup. Yeah, we a lot of times we send the tires and roll them down the ravine. It's a pretty steep hill, so we'll show you once we get out there. But we're just gonna go along the road and see what we find. The kids like to look at what kind of bottles they are. They know all the names. Crazy, right? We're on our old Club Cadet golf cart we got a couple years ago. It is 40 degrees out here, so it is the wind chill's quite brisk. But we're taking it's about a quarter mile to the dirt road, and then we start our community service. So here's a sign we have right at the end of our road. You don't see very often, at least not these days if you live near the city. Not a lot of these type roads left. What's that sign mean, Cole?
It means slow down because it's going onto a gravel road off the main.
That's right.
Off a paved road into a rocky road. So that means watch out, slow down.
Yep, slow down because you can lose control and you'll end up in the woods over there, and these ravines are pretty deep. So if you see that one, that means slow your roll. So we actually adopted this part of the road. Like I said, it's gravel road, goes into the park. We got about a 2-mile section. If you go to DOT's website, you can fill out a form, adopt a piece of road, and then you can go by there and get these DOT trash bags they can give you, and they give you a vest and some safety high-vis. Give you some high-vis vests and some gloves and stuff. You can see we got our green tow bag on, got a little bit of blue. I got my really bright yellow shirt on right here, so hopefully the cars can see us. Safety first.
Because we got
Look at the camera when you talk. So what are you saying?
could get a big wreck.
Look at the camera.
You can't drive because you got a big wreck.
A big break?
Yeah.
Where at?
Like under there, or like, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. That's all right. Hang on. What you got? A Modelo? What's that one? Let me see that one, JC. A Miller Lite. Good job, guys. Put them in the bag, JC. People just throw trash. There's a huge ravine over here. They throw tires down here, all sorts of beverage containers. There's trash down there the kids are getting. Yeah, I see. Trash here. Ice bags. I mean, it's kind of sad. It's a state park and people just litter it up. Picking up some trash here. I found a little birdie. I don't know if he's injured or is a baby birdie or what. He is right here. Looks like he might be hurt. I don't know if it's a baby bird or just an injured bird. See what we can do for him. We might take him back to the house and warm him up. See if he can get himself together, fly away. So I picked this little bird up. Looks like he's got a broken wing. You can see right there, I think he's injured. I'm not sure if you can rehab these birds or if people do that. We might put him in a box for a little bit, at least let him get warm and see what we can do for him. He's a cute little guy. He's probably freezing. Lots of aluminum. Doing his part. Uh-oh. We got an aluminum spill. JC's up there supervising. How we doing, Jace?
Good.
We're doing good? There's our Club Cadet cart we got from a guy in Smithfield that rebuilds them. He rebuilt this one, put some big old tires on it, blacked it out. There we go. Let's ride.
I can't.
Excuse me, sir. Where's your driver's license? Where's your driver's license? Oh no, better slow down. Runaway 6-year-old on the golf cart going down a steep hill. Say bye, Mom. You better slow down, kid. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. We got cans. Slow down. Slow down. Ay, ay, ay. Stop right there. Apparently people roll their pumpkins down the hill as well. There's one there. There's another one back there. There's 2 more. There's 4 of them. You gonna chunk it down the hill?
Yeah. Get it up.
There it goes. Whoop. What do you think, JC?
Can you get a pumpkin?
You get a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Pumpkins at Christmas? Here we go. Oh, busted.
Okay.
So we found these pumpkins people had thrown the roads way up at the top of the hill. They threw the pumpkins down in the ravine. So we have now captured them and we're about to get a good roll down in this bottom here. You ready? Go. There it goes. Runaway pumpkin.
Okay, go.
Ready?
Here's what inside. If you're inside a pumpkin, that's what it looks like. A bunch of vines and gooey and seeds and.
You can take those seeds and roast them in the oven like sunflower seeds. They're good to eat.
Yeah, they're very good. We've done it before. And like.
You busted it? Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Here too.
Got a Yoo-hoo? I think it's a Yoo-hoo, some protein milk or something. Go get the other one, Jace. Hey, Jace, who throws the trash out?
Bad guy.
Bad guys? Yeah, I think so. Bad guys throw the trash out. They don't care about nothing.
What I'm doing, this guy has bootleggers. He's out in the woods, so.
Yeah, he's looking for the glass bottles. There, he throws them way out in the woods. There, he likes green and yellow. We must have found a couple hundred of those. We got everybody profiled on what they like to drink, for sure. What you got, JC? Bud Light can?
Yeah.
Put it in trash. Good job, buddy.
I'm gonna pick it up.
3-year-old can pick up trash, but grown folks can't. Crazy world we live in.
This guy. So the thing I was talking about, bootlegger. This is the thing. This color comes in yellow, blue, and green, and we guess when it's on the back, and then somebody comes to get it. But like usually this guy like chunks them about like not that far, but that
Yeah.
he would chunk them past that tree.
Yeah, so that guy drinks bootleggers. His glass bottle's all out here. We probably picked up. What'd you find?
A natty light.
A natty light.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what we figured out is everything, all the trash is on the right-hand side of the road on this side.
I found a worm.
You found a worm because back that way about 2 miles is the country store. People buy their beer and they drive down this road. And a bunch of people live on the other end and all the cans end up over here. So on the way back, it'll be less stuff to pick up on the other side. They're very intrigued by this worm.
Stop. Touch it. Touch the worm. Oh. That's a worm.
I think he's dead. Is it a snake? Is he alive? What'd you guys find here?
Look, a snake.
Let me see.
A snake. A dead snake.
I don't think he's dead. I think he's alive. He's just cold. That's cool. Let me see him. Hold him in your hand, flat. Is he dead?
Not sure. It's a snake.
Don't get him too close to your face. I think he's alive.
It's not a snake.
What'd you find?
A snake. And did you say there's a worm? I'm like, where? And I looked down the creek and there's a dead snake.
They thought it was a worm, but it's really some kind of little snake. We thought he was alive. I think he's frozen iceberg style. He might have gone already. But that was cool. Looked like a big worm, huh?
What's that for them?
Bye-bye, Snakey. So we made it down to the Raven Rock State Park. Havens Creek's access is a parking area here. Mainly horse trails. They're closed today. Trails are too wet, I assume, but the kids are enjoying climbing on the gate at least. But yeah, we're probably gonna head back from here. This is about halfway of the 2 mile stretch we were gonna do. We're about a mile in, but little bits back there are breaking down, need a nap. So we're gonna head back up the other side, see what we can find. Should we leave, Cole?
Yeah.
We should?
Yeah.
We should leave him over there?
No.
We shouldn't? Why not?
Because I don't want you.
Because what?
I don't want you.
You don't want to? Jace, tell me something. Look at the camera. Tell me something. Tell me a story.
I don't know.
You don't know? Who's coming to see you?
For Oma.
Opa, Oma.
Yeah.
Who's that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yes, you do. That's mommy's mommy and daddy. Oh.
Grandma.
Grandma and grandpa? Where are they coming from?
New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yeah.
Yep, they'd be here Monday. They staying with us for till January.
Yeah.
What'd you find? A Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, I won. Not my stomach.
All the water out?
Yeah, that's there.
Give you an idea how hilly it is. The power line there, you can look across, see like 2 or 3 different ridges. There's 1, 2, and the third one way down there. Quite adventurous terrain for being this far east Cape Fear River.
Sorry, it's really close. The back one is ready. Okay, I want to say something. Now my break like tree. Look, Daddy, look.
What is it?
Somebody broke a tree.
They broke a tree?
Yeah.
Who do you think did it?
I'm a picker.
A woodpecker?
Yeah.
What about?
I'm almost in 1st grade, and I know how to spell mom and dad. MOM. DAD. Dad.
Oh yeah?
MOM, mom.
Awesome, man. Yeah, we can't spell around here for code language anymore. This kid can decode everything. Be very proud of him. Whoa! My man getting it on a dirt bike, riding a wheelie. Good night. Oh, here comes another one. I wonder them the guys throwing the beverage cans out. You reckon? What y'all think?
That's scary.
What?
That's scary.
It scare you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's scary.
It's scary. What do you think, Cole?
Cool. That's
Cole, you want some water?
Mhm.
Yeah? You should drink. You should drink it. You ready?
What?
What? You can't drink no water? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
On me.
What do you think? You want to do a little off-roading? Come on.
Okay, there we go.
We're going right over there where they blade this road. Every so often DOT will blade it, smooth it out. They leave big piles of leaves over on the side, so it's kind of fun when you're riding. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Uh-oh.
What?
Look out. I think we're stuck. Watch out. Whoa. Come on, boy. A little bit too much off-road?
Yeah.
We need a razor, a 4x4. What'd you find?
What is this? I know what is this.
What is that one?
Coke.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain
Yeah. The other one looks like a Ultra.
Ultra.
Yeah, you found two. Good job. Go put them in.
Mountain Dew Ultra. Mountain Dew Ultra.
Put them in the trash. Good job, Jace. What'd you find?
Bootlegger.
Bootlegger.
Yay! Yay! I guessed the right color.
It's a yellow. Sweet. Put it in the trash.
I guessed the yellow bootlegger, and look what this is. Yellow bootlegger.
That's what the bad guys drink, right? So nothing spells adventure like the golf cart dying on the way back on an uphill. Our golf cart batteries are about 5 years old, so they're on the ragged edge. So what I've done is I got my heavy self off the golf cart, and we're gonna let Cole drive and see if it has enough juice to get up the hill. It just cut out on me, so let's see it. Let's see what we got. We got any juice left? All the way to the floor. Go, 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 go. Go. I'm gonna push you. Good job, Cole. I'm literally pushing the golf cart. Is it gonna make it? Is it to the floor?
Yep.
Good job. Look at this kid. He just bailed us out. Cole did it? He drove the golf cart when Daddy's big booty got off of it? What y'all think?
This is gonna be a hard one.
Fig the fox.
This is gonna be hard driving on the main road.
Yeah. We just got back to the house. We only made it about a 1 mile stretch and back down to the parking lot where the bridle trails are there, the Avon Creek access. We got one bag full of mostly cans and plastic and some other trash people threw out, so the kids enjoyed it. Found an injured bird and a snake and saw some guys on some crazy dirt bikes. Not as adventurous as one of our usual videos, but figured I'd put this one out there just to give back to the community a little bit, show folks that we kind of take care of our road, take care of our park, and that's all we got for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.